Hey everyone, this is Michael Treadhart, International Technology Instructor. We'll let you know about a class that we have coming to Fair Texas Title Fort Worth on August 17th from 10 a.m. to noon. And this is how to actually use LinkedIn for real estate. And I know what everybody's thinking, LinkedIn? Really? LinkedIn? Really? The record for this class, I had one agent get 36 active clients in 3 weeks after the class from applying a technique that she learned in the session. This is something that you do not want to miss. Everybody who looks at LinkedIn at face value goes, is it really, business to be had for real estate agents? Absolutely. And this is going to be something that we're going to show you how to do in the class. So bring your laptop. We're going to get everything set up. You're going to get all of the ongoing lead generation techniques right there in the class that you can start to apply to your business for the foreseeable future. This is a 2-hour-long course. It's CE certified. Total cost on it is $20. And that $20 and that 2 hours of CE credit can change your business for the good for a very, very long time. You do not want to miss this class. So RSVP below. We'll see you in Fort Worth. Thanks.